Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you how to hide Android device name from Wi-Fi networks, so your phone stays anonymous when connected to any network. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen or in the Apps drawer. Step 2. In the Settings menu, look for the Connections option at the top and click on it to proceed. This section lets you manage everything related to wireless connections like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and more. Step 3. From the menu, find the Wi-Fi option on the screen and click on it to proceed. This will show you all available networks and let you manage your current connection. Step 4. Here you can see all the Wi-Fi names appear on the screen. Find the connected Wi-Fi network and then tap on the gear icon next to it to open the detailed settings. Step 5. Now, tap on the View More option that appears in the settings screen. Scroll down a bit and you'll see an option that says Send Device Name to Network. Right now, this option is turned on, which means your device name is visible to the network. All you need to do is simply tap on it once to turn it off. Once you switch it off, your phone will automatically disconnect and then reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. But this time, it will appear as an anonymous device instead of showing your actual device name. And just like that, you've successfully hidden your Android device name from Wi-Fi networks. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.